Kublai pi baru kini gilong ki kubor bam dakasngi. Umentri rangba kejala konrat ki sangma, ulapli pajba ki Kamra Klas Thymmai Bhoi Synod College, Umsaitsning ki blate Lyngba ka Chief Minister Special Development Fund, CMSD-F ha ka jingnut ka bakon. Arfn riulang nyopu hajar tingka. Haba ay jingkren umentri rangba ulayaro ki nong penyait ke skul ba, halor ka jingtray shitom ban kentiu ka puli puthi ha ka than. Bad ulakular ru ban ay jingerap syu na kaliang ke sorkar ban penbha syu ya ke jaka puli. Ki nong penyat ke college kila pha ke memorandum ban pan jingeram ban te ka auditorium hall ban hak te ke sngi ukanrat ke sangma ulakular ban ay jingerap halor gane. Kumjuru ban penyo ketiar penberngya sports equipment ka jingelang pli pat ba kelasaki da ke jingdan uba sustenance sotun ki MLE na Bhoi lembar ki riu pau khmat jongkathan kabalong kadak baka sorkar kadang yai trei ban kentiu ya ka puli puthi hapo ka district Bhoi.
Economic governance and forward-thinking policies have been instrumental in transforming.
We are now in 26. So we are here in Umsaitsning village, in Umsaitsning constituency in Bhoi today, and we are here at the Bhoi Synod College, and I'm happy that a fund of about 26 lakhs was given under the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund for the building of this particular one of the floors, and we've just come to inaugurate it. So I'm sure there will be a great blessing, especially to the youth of this area. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. Can we be seated?
Give me a small application with all the details. My officials are here. Mr. Alex, you can just raise your hand so they know who you are. Yeah. So you can just give the application to him. You take his number down, and you can WhatsApp him the application, and we'll be happy to give music instruments to the students out here, so that when we come for the foundation stone laying of the auditorium, you can sing more songs for us. So I'm very happy to announce that for my Chief Minister's special grant, I will be giving music instruments also to the students studying out here.